Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we show how to install Google Play Store in iPhone, so let's start. So I recommend you to go to this page that is restud.com. Then just click here on the first one and then just wait it. This helps you to install any app on your iPhone. So then you're here on the storage, just click on next and it tells you how does it work. For example, it will give you a video tutorial and text instruction on how to get the app. After watching or reading, you will know how to get your app and then do the instructions and the app will be on your phone and working perfectly. So then just click on next and then it says time to get your app. So just click on start and then you have got to install the app from the video instructions step by step. You can install it now and then you can see here the instructions about install this app. For example, what you can do it now, you can find any app here and then you can click here on install the app and then just click on allow, and then once it's downloading on iOS you will see a pop-up like this and just click allow. If you're on Android device, it will redirect to your download page for Android and there will be a tutorial explaining how to finish getting the app. Okay, so now with step C5, you'll see a message saying the profile download pop up. Click close and exit out from iOS browser. And when you do it, go to your settings on your iPhone and your device. You will click here. It says profile downloaded. Okay, there on the top, and then go to general. And then let's go to VPN and device management. Okay, and you now see the profile we just installed in case that this was, for example, Monopoly, but in your case could be any other app or games. Okay, then just click here and it will show you like this and click install. Okay, in the top right corner, if you have a passcode, it will ask you to enter and then just don't need, it will just take you straight to the page like that and the next button and just click on install as the picture it shows. Install it and then click done. The app will appear on the screen. So guys, as you can see, it's a little bit complicated but it's easy to use. So guys, I really hope this works for you. The app is completely free, so I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.